Hello and welcome friends. I'm Smitha and in today's video I'm sharing 10 easy hand lettering ideas. These would be perfect to letter in your bullet journal, sketchbook, or even onto a handmade card. You can also grab a lettering practice sheet on my blog and letter along with me. I'll leave the link to it in the description box below. First up is shadow lettering. Here you doodle or outline your letters. You can use uppercase or lowercase style, and I've also added a heart in between to add a fun element. You can add 3D effect to it by adding an outline shadow. The shadow can be filled in either with thin lines or with a gray marker, or if you want to make it colorful, even go in rainbow order. Second is monoline script style. You letter your words with a simple cursive style, but add a swoosh or style element to jazz it up. All you need for this is a basic pen, no special calligraphy tools required. Third is my favorite, Faux Calligraphy. Letter your words with a cursive style, but then you go back in and add a second line to all of the downstrokes, and this creates that Faux Calligraphy look. You can color in this area or leave it blank like I have this time. Block lettering. Use all uppercase block letters, outline them or fill them in with color. Draw a large heart around your words and fill in the heart with color to create a negative block lettering look. If a heart doesn't suit the sentiment that you're lettering, try a circle or a square and fill it in with color. Fifth is simple cursive style. Use your basic cursive style to letter your words. Arrange your words close or stack them one upon another. Add small doodles around the words. Fat filler style. In this style, you're basically adding a fat area to each letter and then decorating that area with some design. I used hearts here, but think stripes, dots. This style is super fun because you can create different looks each and every time. Monoline lettering. The clean and simple all caps look that is timeless and graceful. Funky lettering. This is the most fun style ever. Mix and match all the font styles to create something uniquely you. Tall and skinny outline. Make your letters tall and skinny to change up the way your words look. This is a great trick for when you need to fit a lot of words into a small area on the page. Connected script. This is basically a cursive font itself, but you connect all the words together to create a different look. So there you have it friends, 10 easy hand lettering ideas for you to try today. Let me know in the comments below if you letter any of these, and also tag me on social media @Smitha. I'd love to see what you create.